Hello everybody, it's Nick from Jester Bushcraft, and it's day one of lockdown. I'm out doing my daily exercise, which has been permitted by the government. You're allowed to go out once a day to get some exercise, so that's what I'm out to do. I'm quite lucky where I live. There's this, as you can see behind me, there's this bridle way that goes right through the fields and out back towards where I live, and it's a route I do quite regularly. You may have seen me do a few videos down here before. There's usually quite a bit of wildlife, and it's always, the landscape is always changing, the colours are always changing. I just like to come down and see how things have changed. And you can probably hear, apart from the cars down that end, you can hear the birds. I've already seen what I think was a tree creeper. It was a bit too high to get any decent footage. I've seen quite a few wrens. You get a lot of wrens down here. The other night I came down here and I must have seen 5 or 6 different ones, not the same one, flitting from one to the other in different locations. I've seen the kestrel flying around, not tonight, but there's a nice sunset in the background there. Can't quite see it. There you go. There you can. Nice sunset in the background. And yeah, so I do like coming out down here. Hope everybody's keeping safe and adhering to the rules that have been set. I was on nights last night where I work. Work at a military aircraft site, and this morning the message was sent out. There was a pheasant there, missed it. Message was sent out that the site was shutting down and not to come in again. So I should be going into work tonight, but I'm not, because we're in lockdown, and that's for the unforeseeable future. So we'll see how that goes on a daily basis. Why am I doing this video? A couple of reasons really. One of the reasons is to obviously get me out and keep me occupied, because when I get back I'm going to have to edit the video and upload it, and something I enjoy doing, so that'll keep me occupied. The other reason is so my mum and dad can see I'm alright. Hi mum, hi dad, love you both, doing alright. They don't live too far away, and I've been round once just to drop them off some food supplies, because they're in the upper 70s, early 80s shall we say, so they are in the vulnerable category. So I will be bobbing back at some point when they start running out of food, and but yeah, it's just good for them to just see what I'm up to, make sure I'm alright, and get to see my face. So yeah, and it's an excuse to put another video out for you guys, because you look after me, you keep supporting me, you keep following me, keep leaving great comments. So so here I am. So I'm probably going to do this. I'm going to try and do it every day if I can. We'll see where we get to. But I'll just turn around again. You can see the sunset in the background there. Yeah, so we'll just see what else we can find on the walk, see if there's any more wildlife. Alright, catch you in a bit. See, the wild garlic is starting to spread now. loads of it. This is the spot where I filmed the woodpecker last year. Don't know who's going to be coming back. She's going to be coming back. Don't know whether they use a nesting place like that again. I'll be keeping my eye on it. Look at that tree there. Looks quite normal. Surprised that's even standing. All rotting out inside. Right, I'm coming towards the end of my walk now. I hope you enjoyed that. Only a short one. And it's not under the best of circumstances, but it is what it is, and we've got to get on with it. So keep safe, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the icon here or the one down there. Give us a thumbs up, that'd be great, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Right, okay, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again tomorrow.